Kate here with WTI, and your winter is about to get so much more fun. This ice hut is from Wuotan Gears, and it is incredible. It comes in this amazing lime green color, so you can spot it on the lake with no issues at all. The thing that blew me away the most was how warm it is. So this is an insulated tent, and it holds the heat in so much better than our other non-insulated one. So we have a heater inside, and we had to turn our heater way down and actually take off layers because it was so warm in the ice hut. It's a breeze to put together. It pops up. So you pull the little tabs. It's very simple. Start with the top, pull out the walls, and you're ready to go in 2 minutes. It has windows on either side so that it lets light in. They also open up, so if you do need to let a little breeze in, you have that option. The other two sides have ventilation. It also has 2 different doorways on either side. So talk about convenient. They open up nicely. They Velcro open if you need to. The walls are in this really nice black quilted material. It's a nice size. It's 34 square feet. We were 4 adults and we were comfortable. So 3 to 4 people is ideal. It's easy to take down the same way it was to put up, and it does fit back into the bag with very little effort. The bag makes it very portable. I am able to carry it no problem. My husband's also worn it as a backpack, so easy to take on the ice with you. It's full height, so you can stand up in it no problem. It also has a hook on the top, so if you want to hang a light, or for us, we hang our speaker up there. So overall, if you want to enjoy a day on the lake, this is an amazing ice fishing tent. I'm sure you're going to absolutely love it. You can take it from lake to lake. You can use it for a whole weekend. It holds the heat in really great. It's an awesome color so that your friends can easily spot you. And I think you'll definitely love winter a lot more with it. And that's my point of view.